Understanding raised eyebrows, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, raised eyebrows. This idiom is widely used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the language. Let's get started. Raised eyebrows is an idiom used to describe a reaction of surprise, skepticism, or disapproval. When someone raises their eyebrows, it's a non-verbal cue that they are surprised or doubtful about something they've heard or seen. In English, this physical action has become a metaphorical expression. For example, if you say, "His latest proposal raised a few eyebrows," it means that the proposal was surprising or controversial and made people react skeptically. The phrase, raised eyebrows, has been in use for centuries. It originates from the natural human expression of lifting eyebrows when encountering something unexpected or questionable. This idiom is often used in both formal and informal contexts. You might hear it in business meetings, casual conversations, or even in news reports. To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. Her sudden decision to quit her job raised eyebrows among her colleagues. Here, it implies that her decision was unexpected and caused a reaction of surprise. 2. The artist's unconventional style has always raised eyebrows. This means that the artist's style is unique and tends to surprise people. 3. The government's new policy raised a few eyebrows. This suggests that the policy was controversial or unexpected. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Similar phrases to raised eyebrows include turn heads, to attract a lot of attention, cause a stir, to create a noticeable reaction, eyebrow raising, as an adjective, e.g., an eyebrow-raising comment. And that's a wrap on raised eyebrows. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of this interesting idiom. Remember, idioms like these add color and depth to your English, making your conversations more engaging and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't forget to raise a few eyebrows with your newfound knowledge. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.